Mastering the passive voice with must. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of English grammar to discuss a key concept, the passive voice. Specifically, we're focusing on the combination of passive voice with modals, and even more specifically, with the modal verb, must. Ready to become masters of passive constructions with must? Let's get started. To understand how to use must in passive voice, we need to first review what passive voice is. In English, the passive voice is a way of constructing sentences where the subject is acted upon by the verb. This contrasts with the active voice, where the subject is doing the action of the verb. For example, active, the cat chased the mouse. Passive, the mouse was chased by the cat. Modals are helper verbs that give additional information about the main verb of a sentence. They can indicate ability, necessity, possibility, or other conditions. The modal verb, must, is typically used to express obligation, necessity, or certainty. Active, we must finish the project. Obligation, passive, the project must be finished by us. When we use must in passive voice, we are still showing obligation, necessity, or certainty, but now the emphasis is on the action being done to the subject rather than the doer of the action. Here's how you form it. Start with the subject of your sentence. Next, include the modal verb, must. Then, use the word, be. Finally, include the past participle of the main verb. The formula looks like this: subject plus must plus be plus past participle. For example, the dishes must be washed before dinner. The car must be repaired before our road trip. Notice how the focus is more on the task that needs to be completed, the dishes being washed, the car being repaired, not necessarily who is doing it. Let's take what we've learned and put it into practice. Transform these active sentences into passive sentences using must. 1. You must complete the report by Friday. 2. They must deliver the furniture by tomorrow. 3. I must prepare the meal for the guests. Once you've finished, check your answers. 1. The report must be completed by Friday. 2. The furniture must be delivered by tomorrow. 3. The meal must be prepared for the guests. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use must in passive voice. Keep practicing and you'll soon find that constructing these sentences becomes second nature. Remember, mastering English, or any language, is a journey, so don't rush it. Happy learning and see you in our next video.